Talking on camera doesn't come naturally to anyone, not even the pros. But in today's connected and online-driven world, it's essential. In this video, I will share a few simple techniques that will make you a natural at it in no time. To make it simple, I've cut this video in chapters for you, so that if you know what you're looking for, you can go straight to it. Want the whole thing? Stick around, because each tip builds on the last, and I've even included a bonus tip at the end to help you feel confident before hitting that record button. So, if you're ready to take your camera and communication confidence to the next level, before continuing, hit that subscribe button now and join our community to stay up to date with the latest tips and advice on communication. Tip number 1, visualize your audience. Talking to a camera can feel unnatural because it's not a person. But here's the secret. You're not talking to an object. You're talking to people. To the people listening and looking at the video once you put it out. This is one of the most important things when looking confident in front of a camera. The mindset shift from the object to the person. Visualizing your audience helps you feel connected and keeps your delivery natural. This mindset shift makes all the difference because it transforms what feels like a one-sided activity of you talking to a dead object into a real conversation with the person listening to you. When you imagine your audience instead of the camera, when you see eyes instead of that lens, you humanize the process. Whether you're picturing a close friend, a family member, or even someone who needs the advice or value that you're providing, it helps you break down the wall between you and the camera. You're no longer performing, you're sharing. And that will make you look instantly more at ease, but also more confident in the resulting video. How to implement it? Picture yourself having coffee with a friend. Imagine their reactions as you speak, a smile when you say something funny, a nod when you make a good point. Alternatively, if your content is more professional, envision a group of colleagues or students who are engaged and eager to learn from you. See them looking at you, listening at you, really see them. Then, when you're in front of that camera, speak directly to them and let that visualization guide your tone. For example, when I create content, I imagine someone who genuinely needs my advice. This keeps my tone warm, engaging, and authentic. It feels less like delivering a lecture and more like having a meaningful chat. And that, in turn, makes me look confident in front of the camera because I know my subject. And I know that the person I'm speaking to is choosing to listen to me, to learn something, to add value to their life. And that makes me feel confident and more relaxed. Tip number 2. Look at the lens, not the screen. Why it's useful? Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools to build trust and connection. But when you're talking on camera, the temptation to watch yourself on the screen can ruin that connection. Looking directly in the lens mimics eye contact, making your audience feel like you're speaking directly to them. It's a subtle but transformative detail that sets apart a confident speaker from someone who seems distracted or disconnected. So, this is how you implement it. If you can't stop yourself from looking at that screen on the side of your camera, start by flipping it or hiding your camera screen from your view entirely. This eliminates the distraction of seeing yourself and the judgment that can follow from it. Yes, we all ought to be a little nicer to ourselves. Work in progress. So, instead of focusing on the screen, focus on the lens, as if it were the eyes of the person that you're speaking to. It may feel unnatural at the start, but you will get used to it. And not looking at yourself will free a lot of tension too. You will be surprised at how natural you look once you've started confidently speaking to your audience in this way. Practice speaking to the lens by recording yourself daily. Just a little bit each day can go a long way. Then review the footage to see how natural your eye contact looks. Over time, this will feel more intuitive and you won't need to hide the little feedback screen anymore. For extra connection, imagine how your audience reacts to what you're saying, nodding along or smiling back as you speak. This will make you speak at a more natural pace, including silences that are necessary to make your video have a bit of breath within the information that you're giving out. This mental exercise keeps your delivery more engaging and, in turn, makes you look more confident on camera. If you are a naturally shy person, check out this video up here for more tips on how you can turn your shyness into strength and use it to your advantage. Tip number 3, embrace imperfection. Perfection can be the enemy of progress. Audiences don't connect with flawless performances, they connect with authenticity. Small mistakes, quirks, and even moments of vulnerability can make you more relatable. When you aim for perfection, you risk coming across as stiff or rehearsed, which can alienate your viewers. Embracing imperfection allows your personality to shine through. It also takes the pressure off, freeing your focus, delivering value rather than avoiding mistakes. So here's how you implement it. Give yourself permission to mess up. Instead of restarting every time you stumble over a word, treat it as part of the flow. Acknowledge the mistake with a smile or a quick laugh and keep going. This not only saves time, but also shows your audience that you're human. Watch your favorite creators or public speakers. Notice how they handle imperfections. They often laugh them off or weave them into the moment. You can do the same. Did you know that 80% of the people watching my videos are not yet subscribed to my channel? Let's change that together now. And if you're enjoying these practical tips, please let me know by hitting that like and subscribe button. By subscribing, it lets me know that this content is useful to you, and it keeps you up to date to never miss any of my new strategies or effective communication tips in the future. Tip number 4, speak with energy and smile. So, weirdly but truly, here's one fun fact about a camera. It naturally dulls charisma. What feels energetic in a person can come across as flat on video. Therefore, when speaking and sounding confident in front of a camera, you need to amplify your energy. Amplifying your energy and smiling helps compensate for this energy flattening effect, and in turn helps to keep your delivery engaging and approachable. A smile, even a subtle one, can transform your tone, making you sound warmer and more confident. It actually does also change the color of your voice. When you are next with a friend, ask them to say one phrase, smiling, and again, not smiling, while you close your eyes, not telling you which one they did, first or second. I guarantee you will hear the difference. And that's the same difference that happens in front of a camera. And it helps you not only look, but sound more confident in front of a camera. So, here's how we implement it. Before recording, take a moment to center yourself. Remind yourself of why you're excited about your topic. Then, project your voice as if you're speaking to someone across the room. This slight increase in volume not only improves clarity, but also boosts your energy. Next, practice speaking with a smile. Even when discussing serious topics, a gentle smile can convey warmth and confidence. If smiling feels forced at first, try watching yourself in the mirror as you speak. It helps the expression feel more natural. Try pairing your smile with open, relaxed body language. Use your hands to emphasize key points and create visual interest. Try this, and tell me in which one of these sentences I'm smiling. Careful, don't cheat. I see you. Okay, now close your eyes and listen. I'm so happy you subscribed to my channel. I'm so happy you subscribed to my channel. Which one of the two did I say with a smile? Let me know in the comments below. Did you notice how my tone changes when I smile? It's subtle but powerful. Smiling while talking can energize both you and your audience. And most importantly, it makes you sound more confident in front of a camera. Tip number 5, practice with low stakes reps. Why it's useful? Confidence isn't built overnight. It's developed through consistent practice. The more time you spend in front of the camera, the more natural it will feel. Practicing in low-stake environments removes the pressure, allowing you to experiment and grow. So, start by recording short, informal videos just for yourself or close friends. These can be simple updates or messages about your day. To higher the pressure a little bit, post them in your Instagram stories. They only will be there for 24 hours. No harm done, just practicing. And you will see that over time, you will get better at it. Gradually increase the length and complexity of your recordings each time. And bang, there you are. A confident camera speaker is born. Another strategy is to send video messages instead of texts. Platforms like WhatsApp or Instagram make this easy. It's a casual way to get comfortable speaking on camera without worrying about perfection. You can also create a weekly challenge for yourself. Set aside 10 minutes to record a mini video diary or a mock presentation. Review your progress each week to see how far you've come. You will see, you will improve. So here's a little cheeky bonus tip. Warm up before recording. Just like actors prepare for a scene, warming up energizes your mind and body, setting the tone for a confident performance. A good warm-up routine reduces nerves and helps you feel more present. Choose a warm-up activity that suits your style. This could be singing your favorite song, doing light stretches, or practicing deep breathing exercises. The goal here is to elevate your energy and clear your mind. There is no one-fix-all warm-up. You do you. Choose something that makes you feel happy and confident. Another thing you can do in under 2 minutes is try a power pose. Hold it for about 2 minutes before recording. Stand tall with your hands on your hips can boost your confidence and reduce anxiety, physically tricking your body into trust and self-confidence. If you want an example of a complete warm-up you can do, check out my ultimate warm-up routine up here and try it out. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how it made you feel afterwards. For me, I like Ali Abdaal's tip on reminding myself that this will be fun, which is something I tell myself before recording every single video, and adding a huge grin to it. I also do a mini dance sitting on my chair to loosen up and lift my energy. It's simple but effective, and most importantly, it makes me happy, which in turn transpires through the video, I think. I hope. What is it like for you? Is it? Let me and the others know in the comments so we can all try it. So there you have it, my friend. With these 5 tips, you'll be camera ready and steady every time, looking amazingly bright and confident on camera from now on. As always, start small and keep practicing. You will be amazed at how quickly you'll feel at ease in front of a camera. If these tips resonated with you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more actionable advice on communication and public speaking before going. Let me know in the comments which tip you will try first. I always love to read your experiences. So, on this note, my friends, I will see you in the next video. Take care, speak up, and follow your passion. Ciao, ciao.